Hi there, thanks for stopping by. Today we go through VTech Sit-to-Stand Learning Walker. We go through unboxing, assembly, unassembly, changing battery, and we finish with the product demonstration and overview. Coming up. What's up guys, my name is Amir and this is my associate Ryan. Let's start with a quick unboxing to make sure we have all the parts and tools necessary. So these are the parts included in the box. We just need a Phillips screwdriver if we want to change the batteries. Otherwise, we don't need any extra tools. Moreover, you make sure you go through the manual and read every detail of it. For the first step, we insert the legs into the main body. Grab the leg. It's important to make sure the wheel is facing outward. Also, this bump should be like this. Insert the leg into the slot of the main body. Repeat this for the other side as well. Wheel face outward and bump should be here. For this step, we need the handle. Let's rotate the walker. We insert the handle into the slots and the legs. Make sure these pins are on this side to match the opening. Push the blue pieces inward and push the handle in. Make sure it clicks. In this step, we attach the activity panel. Align the bottom side of the panel with the walker. Press down on it until you hear it clicks. Get the little foam piece and put it in the place. To unassemble the walker, we start with taking the foam piece off. Then, we remove the activity panel. First, locate the lock on top side of the panel, slide the lock up, and lift the activity panel. In this step, we remove the legs. We need to push the blue pins on both sides. I recommend using a screwdriver to release the pins and pull the handle out. The handle is loose but not fully released. Blue pin is stuck on the corner of the opening inside, as you see on the screen. We need to pull a little harder to release this. I wasn't able to find a better way. Leave a comment if you have a tip. So we finished the assembly and unassembly of the product together. Before we start with the product demonstration, I'm curious, what do you think of the product so far? Would you consider buying it? Yes, no, maybe. Put a comment below and let me know. Yes, no, maybe. Now we install or change the batteries. First, turn the activity panel over. This is the battery cover. We need a Phillips screwdriver. Loose the screw. Remember, lefty loosey. We need two AA batteries. The batteries are included. Change or install the batteries. Replace the battery cover. Tighten the screw. There's a speed control switch on the back wheels of the walker. Position 1 has higher tension on the wheels and it's intended for the kids who just started to walk. Position 2 is for more skillful walkers. The wheels move more freely in this position. By the way, make sure both wheels are set to the same position. This product starts off as an activity panel for floor play. Ryan really enjoys this mode now. The panel has a learning mode which introduces shapes, number, and the name of the colors.
Welcome to our learning triangle, circle, square. Ring-a-ling, the animals sing. Quack, quack, quack. Thanks for calling. Let's play. The cow moves in the barn. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Rise and shine. The sun is shining.
In the music modes, it plays songs and piano music.
Ring-a-ling, thanks for calling.
This also can be used as a walker. If you get value out of this, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It really warms up our heart.